In this lesson, you will set up Create React app locally in your computer. Back to the installation page. Click on Create React app. We need to run this code in the terminal or command prompt. But before that, you need to make sure that you have Node installed in your computer. If you don't have it installed, head over to nodes.org. Click Download and install just like you would install any other application. Once ready, open up Terminal or Command Prompt window and make sure you have it installed. -V for version. Cool. Now copy this line of code, paste in your terminal and hit enter. It will install Create React app globally in your computer. It takes a while to finish downloading, so be patient. Once done, you can go anywhere in your computer and run Create React app command to start a new React application. I'm going to create a new folder in my root directory and name it Udemy. I will be installing React app inside this folder. Let me cd into Udemy. cd stands for change directory. Once I'm inside Udemy folder, I use this line of code to create a new React application. Create React app followed by the name of your app. Name it whatever you like. I'm naming it News. It takes a while, so be patient. Okay, now let's cd into News and run npm start. This command will run our app in the browser automatically. Great! We have just created a new React app. You must be loving it. This is really great.